In this video, I'm going to show you how to replace the blower motor resistor on this Chevy Silverado. Let's get into it. There should be a cover under here. This vehicle does not have that. Use a 7mm socket. Take those bolts out and take that cover off. Then we're going to disconnect the connector right here. Just use a pick. Slide back on that. And out of the way. Using a 5.5mm socket, take these two screws out. And slide that down. You can follow the wire back to where the blower motor is and disconnect the connector on that. And you might need a pick or a screwdriver just to release the lock on the blower motor. Slide that out. You can see where I put the pick right there. Just push that down and then you can disconnect the connector. Take the connector, line it up with the blower motor and push it in. Line the resistor up. Get the two bolts started. And tighten these down. Not too tight. Line the connector up. Lock it down. At this point, you can put the cover underneath and put those other screws in.
When only the best will do, demand TRQ. The only company that lets you view before you do. TRQ is committed to offering the highest quality aftermarket auto parts that are engineered for peace of mind. Thanks for using and viewing with TRQ.